Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí Anike Versatile TV, ilé ìròyìn àti ìtàn tó dájú, ibi tí a tún ti máa ń gbádùn àwòrán àti eré, ilé ìròyìn ìdárayá tí kò ní tàn yín jẹ.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, please join me as we welcome the cast and crew of The Herd, a film by Daniel.
So hello everyone. Toyin is actually my friend and my sister, and Toyin is married to Etim. And you all know that Toyin is very supportive of us. But me and part of me, I've been in the industry for 24 years. Mo ti wo film, mo fi Ọlọ́run ṣe mi ìsopọ̀ mi rẹ́rìn mi ò fi báyìí. No, Daniel Effiong ti yà wò. That movie is a hit. Guys, we are going out to the masses. I'm not joking. The movie is coming out on the 17th. Saturday, that's Friday, 17th. 18th is Saturday. Sunday, trust me, meet me in Ikeja from 1 p.m. I'm doing meet and greet, and I'm giving out 100 tickets. Trust me, guys. I've met me osere. I've been coming to IMAX for every movie. This is like the first time I would stay from the beginning to the end. This is a movie, and everybody that is in that movie, trust me, they are mad. It's very extremely realistic. So please, let's go out and support movies, please. Then don't forget, Sunday, meet me at Silver Bed in Ikeja by 1 p.m. 100 tickets, free 100 tickets. Daniel, we don't have flower to give you, but when I get to my hotel, my husband, so I can give you that. You see, in real life, we will not borrow you money. Even if you not borrow you. So everybody, this is Toyin Daniel's wife. Thank you so much. Let's go outside and have fun, Charlie.
It's too sweet. And so after watching that, come on, and then realize that Dad, I cried. It was there. And then realize that Daniel is my cousin. Daniel, who is she, our wife? She's my cousin. So opening weekend, I'll tell you something. I have to put that number. Look at my cousin, guys. Look at my cousin.